We're gonna go right now.
We're right in the middle. That's where we want to be. That's going to be the funnest ride.
No, get to the left, guys. Get to the left.
No, the middle's the
paddle, Zach, paddle.
You gotta get to the left.
We got it.
We're good.
We're good.
You guys okay?
It's all right.
All right? Oh, man.
Good. Get over to the left.
All right, they got it.
Yeah. People flying everywhere. Look, there's a guy right there. That's one of us. That's him. What's his name?
Casper!
Hey,
Casper! That's Casper!
That's Casper.
Is he alright?
Hold on. Get over. Let's get over.
We're good. Don't worry.
Help him get his paddle.
Yeah, get that paddle, Josh, if you can.
Get any paddles?
Hold on.
Casper's in the water over there!
Get that paddle.
We can't get him.
Casper, right there.
We can paddle. Mom! We lost our bucket of food!
They lost their bucket of food.
Uh-oh.
Got it? Hey! Jesse!
What?
It's right there! Oh, God.
Oh, look.
They got it.
They got it. Good rescue mission, guys.
Thank you.
What do you say?
Let's go.
Now let's see that on video. I videotaped that whole thing.
You did? Dan, did you?
Oh, kick that out.